Number 5. YOSUDA Indoor Stationary Cycling Bike. Finding a budget-friendly exercise bike that still delivers quality can be tricky, but the YOSUDA Indoor Stationary Cycling Bike hits the mark. This bike brings you a solid spinning-style workout without burning a hole in your wallet. Use it extensively, and you'll find it sturdy and reliable, rivaling pricier models. A key highlight is the friction resistance flywheel, which operates quietly and smoothly. You'll appreciate how it keeps costs down without sacrificing performance. While other bikes flaunt touchscreens and advanced monitors, the YOSUDA keeps it simple, with a basic computer display showing crucial metrics: time, speed, distance, and calories. It's straightforward, but for the essentials, it gets the job done. Missing programmed classes? No problem. Pair it with free YouTube workouts or apps like iFit and Peloton, and you're set. The handlebar design excels during high-intensity rides, angling in for a more comfortable grip, ensuring your shoulders and arms stay relaxed. Dual pedals are another thoughtful touch, allowing flexibility between cage and clip-in options. What stands out the most is the bike's impressive 300 pounds capacity, making it one of the sturdiest options in its price range. However, the basic display might feel underwhelming if you crave more high-tech features, but consider it a trade-off for affordability. YOSUDA balances cost with functionality, making it our top pick for budget exercise bikes.